Thoughts of suicide haunt me. How can I avoid depression and anxiety? Engaging in wrongful acts diminishes self-confidence and inner strength to the extent that thoughts of ending one's life emerge. In such situations, pause and ask yourself, what will happen after death? Do you know the answer? Suicide is a grave sin, and its consequence is rebirth in the ghostly realm. A restless spirit wanders endlessly, it cannot drink water, eat food, or find peace. It suffers immeasurably for ages. Never make such a foolish decision. Death is never a solution to life's problems. This world is vast and full of opportunities. Move forward with courage and valor, for it is only when the world surrenders before you that your human life will find true meaning. Do not let despair take root in your mind. Strive to live life with hope and faith. If there is chaos today, it will eventually find order tomorrow. Walk the path of truth and righteousness. Chant the holy name of God, and you will achieve what you seek. The relationship between celibacy and mental health. Loss of semen makes the mind impure and restless, leading to mental disturbance. Practice celibacy. Avoid habits like masturbation, watching obscene content, or engaging in illicit relationships. Observing celibacy equips you with the strength to face any situation. Unfortunately, many people today recklessly squander their vital energy. Celibacy is a strong foundation for human progress. Chant the holy name of God, exercise regularly, and refrain from immoral acts such as masturbation or adultery. Loss of confidence and inner strength due to failure. Life does not bring only failure or only success. Success and failure are like day and night, they follow one another. If you succeed, do not become overly excited, failure may follow. Similarly, if you face failure, do not despair, as success will eventually come. Suicide is not a solution to any problem. Accept joy and sorrow with patience and resilience, chanting the holy name of God throughout. Failure is not permanent, and success will come someday. The simplest and most effective way to avoid despair is to chant the name of God. This practice calms the mind and keeps negativity at bay. Attend spiritual discourses, chant the holy name, and focus on your work. Engage yourself in some form of work, job, or business. Human life is incredibly precious and should not be wasted. Use your time wisely, as idleness can exacerbate mental problems. An idle mind invites negative thoughts, leading to overthinking. Constant fear in life. Sometimes, we commit sins that we do not confess and for which we face no immediate punishment. However, these sins punish us through intellect, manifesting as aimless worry and baseless fear. Gradually, this imaginary fear takes over our lives and disrupts our mental stability. Even when someone lovingly tries to guide us, we often fail to comprehend their efforts. In such situations, chanting the holy name of God is the only remedy. Some claim they do not commit sins, but even losing semen is a sin. The potential to create life resides in this energy. If it reaches the womb, it could give birth to a new life. Similarly, we unknowingly or knowingly commit many other sins, which corrupt our intellect and cause mental distress. People waste their rare and invaluable human lives due to these sins in private. These sins taint our intellect. With pure intellect, even in the face of failure or despair, we would not feel incapable, helpless, or inclined to take extreme steps like suicide. Practical guidance for a brighter life. Dedicate at least 24 minutes daily to chanting the holy name of God. Chant Radha Radha, Ram Ram, Krishna Krishna, or whichever name you like. Avoid meat, alcohol, and lustful thoughts. Toward others, adopting these habits will make life bright, joyful, and peaceful. Chanting the holy name holds a miraculous nectar-like power. The mind always seeks an anchor. The supreme anchor is God's holy name. Anchor your mind in God's name, for it is the ultimate remedy.